as the end of the supercross season starts, we're into silly season, and it's always fun for me because who's going where, why, and when. And this is coming straight from vitalmx.com. I didn't hear anything about this, so somebody, if they did below, tell me when, where, what it was posted. I don't know. But from Vital says incoming to the team of the Triumph Factory Racing, Jordan Smith joined Triumph Factory, but it's joined Triumph Racing on a 3-year deal from Star Racing. So he's leaving Star this year. I think at the moment, yes, he's sitting seventh in the West. Obviously, not the best finishing or best Supercross season for him, but with the, I don't know how you want to say it, leaving of Evan Ferry or dismissal of Evan Ferry, whatever you want to call it, that whole shenanigan thing going on. For him, it's probably a great idea. I mean, new team, new scenario, new, surroundings, environment, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, leaving Star is probably at the moment one of the best 250 teams we've seen in a very long time. I mean, they just have an incredible bike, incredible team. So it's not exactly like leaving somewhere and upgrading, but he's still moving factory to factory. We've seen that the Triumph bike with Swole can be quick. It's not a slouch. It's not a bad bike. And this is only their first year, so it's only going to hopefully get better. That's how most things go, but we'll see about that. And you put somebody like Thrasher, who is a title contender. Like he has the speed if he doesn't crash and hurt himself every single year to be one of the top guys. So you put him on a full factory team with an already quick bike, and now we're gonna have motocross and SMX time for development or whatever on all the off season. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I haven't heard again. I never heard anything about this. I don't know when this came out, when it was, but apparently it's a done deal. A 3-year deal for him. So for him too, that's really great. A 3-year deal in this sport is a long term deal. You don't have to worry about a 1-year deal or a 2-year deal where you have to prove yourself in the first year, or you get chopping block. But I don't know. Comments down below. You guys tell me, what do you think of this? You think he's going to do good? It's a good move for him, leaving Star, going over to Triumph, whatever it is. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.